the door. So go ahead and fix the cage first. You have to unlatch it at the top and then open it up so he can go in that door. And then he probably got out his food bowl or his water bowl.
Oh, I can see. Yeah, he probably got out his water bowl. I can see that now.
So open the cage first because it's going to be hard to maneuver with him on your arm.
Okay. Step up. Will he bite me?
No, I don't think so if it's Harold.
Okay, now this one is colorful.
Yeah, he's very colorful, has an orange, red chest, and green.
Yeah, that's him. All right. All right. Harold, step up.
Be strong. Harold, step up.
Harold, step up. Oh, I gotta get closer, don't I? Harold, step up. Harold, step up. Harold, step up. Come on. Harold, step up.
Be stronger than that.
Harold, step up.
Step up. Is he on top of the cage?
Okay, we made it.
Wow.